open our global block layout for the post loop builder. Here we shall add our custom add to cart button. So first we shall add the wrapper link element. Here we shall add the add to cart URL. The add to cart URL dynamic tag is coming from the power element. So we shall use this dynamic tag here. Now we shall add some custom class into the button. For the simple product type, so we shall use the product type simple class. We shall add some attribute. We shall use the dynamic data post ID. This is coming from the dynamic data from the power elements post ID. So we shall fetch the product ID. Now we shall copy this element and create the button for the variable product. Now we shall use the now we shall use the element conditions and display this button for the simple product type, and we shall use this button for the variable product type. So power element added the product type conditional tag, so we can use these dynamic conditions. If you have the group product, then you can use create the another button the same way, like so our button is completed. Now we are going to our listing page, and we can see the different button for different post type. Product is adding to the cart, but page is refreshing. So we shall implement the Ajax action for this button. First, we shall go to the WooCommerce settings page, products, and enable the Ajax add to cart buttons for archive this option. Then we are going to the product listing global element, selecting the add to cart button wrapper element, and we shall add some extra classes here. class will handle the Ajax actions. So this is very important. Right now cart has two items. So adding this product, so you can see that Ajax is working and product is adding to the cart, but we shall hide this view cut button and add the loading actions. So and use the code block and pasting our CSS. Here we shall change our uh, you can change the CSS class name like my custom add to cart button CSS here, or you can keep this because it is just work for the product type. Simple product type means add to cart button. You can add edit as per your design set. Now save this layout again and refreshing the page. So you can see that full things is working, product is adding. So this way we can use the custom add to cart button. We can also do this one things. If you go to the power element, you can see that there is a element for quantity input box, so we can add the quantity input box here, so we can also control the quantity. Let's test this how it is working. Now we shall add the quantity elements. So here is the interactive O sections. Under the interactive we can get the quantity input box element, adding this. Now we shall sync the add to cart button with the quantity input box. So we shall select the add to cart button element, go to the advanced, and here we shall copy the ID and put this ID to quantity input box add to cart button selector sections. This is ID, so we shall put the hash value and ID class name. You can see that we can directly add the multiple product by the quantity input box. Here this one, two items is added, one item is added. So this way we can add the custom add to cart button for the product post loop builder element. This is my post loop builder sample page edit, and I am using the post loop builder element. And select my global product list global block here, and we edited the global block editor here.